Today we are going to
Barranco del Infierno, the gorge. We are hiking through it. Not getting eaten by the animals which may be there. Ghosts, devils, whatever we will find there.
Do you think they will have animals there?
Maybe some birds, some lizards, some snakes, I don't know. We will find out. They will guide you.
Alright guys, so this is what I'm wearing. My outfit for the day. This stockings is too off.
No, it's not off. Hot off.
You like food, don't like no trouble. Okay?
Good morning everyone. So our journey starts here. We've not even started. I'm already exhausted. This is our first stop. We have a long way to go. See how I'm breathing. It's exhausting.
There's Adagio in the background. Sweaty already.
And that is my husband.
I hate this head. I have to put it off and readjust it, but I don't.
That means you have to stop one place if you want to do that.
I'll do it on the next.
Oh God. Somebody has to be very careful, because if you're not careful you might fall here. Oh my God, this is not an easy one. God, I've climbed Mount Longonot, but I've never felt exhausted the way I am. Look how I'm breathing, sweat all over me. All these places we have to climb up and down. Let's see. So we were asked not to remove our helmet or leave the path, and they also asked us not to stop until we reach the waterfall. But meanwhile we were very tired, so we had to stop. Okay, you guys are going. So they also asked us that anywhere we see danger sign that we shouldn't pass that area, we shouldn't enter that area, and be mindful of the way we walk. God, I'm so exhausted. But this place is so nice, very sheltered. I can squat down here and have little rest. Look at me, I'm just sweating. It's not an easy walk, but it's very nice. It's something everybody, if you're capable, you need to experience this. It's amazing. But what I don't understand is this: the height of this mountain, whether is higher than Mount Longonot, because I've been to Mount Longonot in Kenya. Let's find out. My helmet. Let's go. I want to figure out where this water is coming from. I think we figured out where it's coming from. Can you see it? Amazing. God created so many things in this life. This is nature.
And there's a lot of water after rain. It would be gushing through here.
These walls fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
It's not an easy one. I have to stop over here and leave other people. This is where we are right now.
Through the wastelands, through the
It's a very high one. It's been longer. I climbed mountain, but the last mountain I climbed was in France.
Yeah, we just arrived at the waterfall. It's not carrying much water these days because it's midsummer, so everything is dried out.
It's a nice structure. I call it structure.
A great landscape.
Well, there is nothing much to see because I was expecting that it is something like, this big, massive waterfall where people can go in, swim if you want to. It's not like that. I met that one once in Kenya. So I had to take some few nice shots and we hurried down because before climbing up, they told us by 2 p.m. they will be shutting down. So we had to hurry down before that time. It was an amazing trip. Why going? I don't think it's not up to long or not. I don't.
You can't compare it. Hobby is a sprinter. No, Hobby is a racing hiker. Racing hiker, Hobby. From very.
No. Holland, Germany, France, Kenya. List them complete. I thought that climbing would be more difficult, but that's not true. Coming down is just, oh my God, I'm exhausted. But I won't stop here. I have to continue. Others are waiting. I'll see you guys.
Well, this is an irrigation channel taking the water from the waterfall down into the fields for farming. Didn't start immediately, so maybe 9:45. So just over 2 hours, I guess.
Okay.
I finished my water.
Moments of resting. God, it took us roughly 2 hours.
Yeah. Up and down 2 hours 45, I guess.
Okay.
2.5 hours.
Okay.
And that's with breaks.
Yeah, with breaks. God, I was thinking that climbing up is the problem, but believe me, coming down. But I'm not discouraging you because it's worthwhile coming. It's a nice place, especially when we got to the last spot. What's the name of the place again?
Barranco del Infierno.
Please, if you come across my video, do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up, guys. This is the only way to assist my channel for growth. Thank you, guys. Cheers.
From London to Taiwan.